持てる？
それマンゴーが入ってる。
You gotta say thank you. You gotta say thank you. You gotta say thank you. You don't say thank you.
Welcome.
Daddy, it's hot. Daddy, it's hot.
Where? Here?
And you inside.
But it's cold outside.
It's hot inside.
But it's cold here.
It's
Oh,
hot.
what am I saying? It's cold outside.
It's hot in here.
You want to have a snack that is hot in here but cold?
Yes.
Let's make popsicle.
Yeah.
Hello everybody. Today we're going to make popsicles.
Yeah.
So, first, in order to make popsicles, see, we want to make popsicles, even though it's winter season, popsicles are all year round. In times like this where it's raining, it's cold outside, but it's hot in here, it's cool to have a cool, delicious, refreshing popsicle. So this popsicle is going to be quite healthy because we're going to be using real frozen fruits. We're going to be using orange juice,
Grape juice.
grape juice, okay? And I'm going to show you two different ways how to make popsicles, okay? So we're going to be using these popsicle things here. Now, before we do that, what I want to do is we sanitize our hands, okay? Then you lick it. I'm joking.
It's not good for you.
Okay?
I did that before.
All right, now, the first thing we're going to have to do to make these popsicles is we're going to put the juice in here. So what I want to do is make two different types of popsicles. We're going to make some orange ones, we're going to make some purple ones, okay?
It's grape.
What color is grape? So that's about a cup of orange juice. We use 1 cup of orange juice, and we'll put some strawberries,
And mango.
mango, and pineapple. Yeah, pineapple. Okay. Okay, great. Press it.
This one?
Yep, go. Stop. Okay. Now, the cool part about this is that you don't have to purify it. We just want to break it down so that this is not completely solid. Okay, try it again. Go. And I know one of the things I definitely want to invest in is a new blender. So for Christmas, we need a new blender. Hint, hint. There we go. That looks perfect. Okay, so what I want to do is take this and we pour this in here. See how it looks like a smoothie.
Smoothie.
So you can actually drink this, you know. Now, don't do that. So what we want to do is we take these off. All right, and we take our spoon and we pour it like this in there. Now make sure you get it almost all the way to the top, but make sure you have it to the edge because we don't want to have what's called an overhead displacement. Like like that. Because once you do that, the displacement will make it go over. That's why I said don't put it all the way to the top. Okay? You understand?
Yeah.
Don't put it all the way to the top because the displacement will make it go over. So you put it right to the line. Right there. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It will stick. Okay, your turn, Hito. You try it. Let's see if Hito can do it. Come on. Wait a minute. Let's take this out. Doing like this. Come on. Do it again. Hold it. No. Come on. Come on. Yep. Oh, baby food. It does look like baby food.
The boss baby is eating like this one.
Okay, there you go. Okay. Move your hand. Move your hand. That's Hito. So Hito put it on. Hito, you put it on. Perfect.
Ooh.
Hito got a perfect one. Okay, right here. Shake it. The one that's on your spoon. The part that was on your spoon would have been perfect.
Two.
Okay, shake it. Okay, put it in. Okay, put it in. Okay. Now these, what I want to do with these, the extras, we're going to make juice. Move your hand. No, this is not juice. So we're going to let this freeze, and you'll be able to eat it from here.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
There you go. Like that. All right. And leave that right there. I'm going to put saran wrap on there. Okay. Next. Okay. Now this time we're going to use grape juice. Okay. So we have that 2.
Oh my god.
And right. Come on, put the fruits in there. Yeah, take this one, put it in. No, grab it, take it out, and drop it in here. Drop it in there. Good. Alright, let's try it. Okay? Okay, press the middle one. Now, do it again. Hey, be quiet. Okay, see? Well, that tastes good.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Very careful with the spoon.
Ready, watch for the cord. Wait, stop. Thank you. Ray, come on, stop. Okay? Now, once you get them like this, no coughing. Once you get it like this, you put it in the freezer, and it stays in the freezer for 3 hours. Okay? Let's do the cups. Here. Give me that cup right there. So you guys can taste it. Here, taste it. Here, for you. Here, for you.
Yummy. Yummy. I like it.
Good. Now we put these in the freezer for a few hours, and then after it turns into a popsicle. Okay. Okay. Alright, so we made these popsicles yesterday. Oh,
Ooh.
cool. Okay. So, here you are.
I want that one. 絶対画面ってこと
Here you go.
持ってる。
それマンゴーが入って
You gotta say thank you. You gotta say thank you. You gotta say thank you. You gotta say thank you.
Very good.
Yeah, they're hard to pull out because this right here is hard to grab.
ママにもあげたら。Good job. Give it to mommy.
Huh?
Give it to her.
Oh, mommy.
No, the other one, the other one.
Mommy.
The other one. Tiny. ヒロ早っ。
早っそんなにあ
So these are the fruit popsicles that we made yesterday.
It's too fat. 早っ
So did you like it?
I like it.
Do you like it? You like it? We use real strawberries.
I like it. I like it.
Mango. Oh, gross.
Look at my
あちこの味する？
my head. I have a headache.
やっぱこっち食べて食べた。
早っあのもうちょっと
黙々と食べてます。